All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, should you level up at the shop? I knew it was going to happen, and I planned for it with this video, but last week's video, I'll put a card up here, is leveling up at the shop. How do you do it? How do you get the bigger jobs? How do you get more responsibility as far as the repairs you get to do? And of course, there was comments that, don't stick with the gravy stuff, brakes, oil changes, gravy, 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 gravy. There's a big problem with that, and that's in your paycheck. Yes, brake jobs are gravy, easy money, upsell a brake flush, a couple, other flushes, easy hours. But here's the problem. If all you're doing is that easy stuff, your flat rate or your hourly pay isn't going to go up that much. The fact of the matter is if you're doing nothing but easy stuff, they're going to pay you low money. It's a fact of life. Yeah, you don't have to have a lot of knowledge. You don't have to have a lot of tooling, but you're not going to make the real money in this industry. The industry is shifting. There's going to be a wider gap between the low end and the diag guys, and there's going to be a lot less room for the people in the middle, for the techs in the middle. If you want to make good money in this business, you need to level up. It's a fact of life. Yes, not going to lie, sometimes those big jobs go south. Sometimes those big jobs are bigger than we expect. Sometimes they just suck. But the more responsibility you get, the more you can make per flat rate hour or hourly salary, whatever your pay system is in your shop or whatever shop you want to go to. They're going to pay you more money if you've got more knowledge, if you've got more experience. That's the big thing. Leveling up in the shop isn't about just taking on bigger jobs. It's about getting more money for doing those bigger jobs. If they see you can turn out a engine R&R in, 75% of book time, it's a little easier when you go in there and ask for a raise for them to say yes. That's the point of leveling up. It's not to get the more difficult jobs, it's to increase your pay. I don't know about you, but I don't come to this shop because I like the people I work with and I like what I do. I do though. I like the guys I work with. I like my job, but the fact of the matter is, if coming here every day doesn't pay my bills, I'm going to go do something else. That's fact of life. And shops look at that. Don't think they don't. When they go ask you, can you do this bigger job? And you go, oh, no, that's above my pay grade. That's exactly what they're thinking. That's above his pay grade. He ain't getting any more money. So when you go in there and ask for a raise, they're going to go, nope, you're maxed out at your pay grade. At your skill level, you're done. I know some people don't view it that way, but that's how the world works, is the better you are at what you do, generally the more money you make. And I hope you want to make more money than what you're already making, because I do. I make really good money here, but I can always take more. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.